Hi, hello, welcome back. Just want to give you a quick update on the allotment, see how it's going on and everything. Alright, so let's flick this round. Alright, what am I doing here so far? Over here, I'm just preparing a bed for my corn. So I've just dug a new part of it. So over it, when I said dug, I've just prepared a new part of it. And then over that part, I've just put some grass, just to keep it just like a mulch for now. And this part was already done from last year. So over here I still got some carrots growing. But I'm just basically preparing it for the corn. Alright. On the next bed over here, I've just finished preparing this one. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to put at the ending of it there. But here is where I've done the potatoes. As you can see, those potatoes are coming on really well now. So these was my first early potatoes, my shallots. Second early potatoes, my shallots, sorry. Yeah. And they're coming on really well now. I think they're kind of feeling the little bit of heat we're getting right about now. Okay. So I'll go over to the next bed. Over here I had put down some, a bit of the shadow. Over here I had put on some beetroots. So I'm just waiting for them to come up. I don't know if they're coming up already. Maybe that's them here. Yeah, so I just direct sowed them. See how they're gonna get on. And over here is my garlic that I had here from overwinter. Well, I overwintered them. And they're growing really well as well. Let's see, let's give you guys a little close up. Right, so those are my kind of overwinter garlic. Over the next bed, I'm not quite sure what to put here. Maybe I'm going to put some cabbages or my brassicas along here, along this bed here. And they're looking, it's looking all right. Since I've put down the wood chips, I've been getting these mushrooms growing. That's looking really well. I've got some over here as well. So I'm pretty sure it's helping with the microfungi of the soil, you know what I mean, helping the mycelium, get round into the actual bed. So that's a good thing. Over here I put some broad beans, but I put them in a bit late, so I had to kind of trim the top of them, hoping that they'll grow from the side. And these were the onions I put down. I made a video about. So we can use this as also the update for the onions, if you want to see it like that as well. It's been about a month to 6 weeks, I think, since the last time I put the exact date up. But yeah, they're doing really well as well. So I had some turbos, some red onions, and some shallots at the end. Yeah, they seem to be doing really well at the moment. And this bed here, I had tomatoes growing here last year. So I don't know, I'm thinking maybe two times lucky, Try it again, see how they turn out. That's basically how the allotment is looking at the moment. Still, it's just a short video. Show you how things are looking. There's the beds for now. Still got, I'm still improving. So yeah, live well and together we grow.